In today's video, I'm going to teach you beginner basics of Google Sheets, interface, data entry, essential functions, and collaboration. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Google Sheets is a free, web-based spreadsheet tool, and one of its best perks is that it saves your work automatically to Google Drive in real time. That means there's no need to hit save, and you can switch devices without losing progress. Let's get oriented. A spreadsheet is made up of cells, which are the individual boxes where you enter data. Each cell has an address based on its column letter and row number, like A1 or B5. Columns run vertically and are labeled A, B, C, and so on, while rows run horizontally and are labeled 1, 2, 3. At the bottom, you'll see tabs. These are your sheets within the same file. Using multiple sheets is great for organizing related data or keeping your analysis separate from your raw inputs. Entering data is straightforward. Click a cell and start typing. Press Enter to move down or Tab to move right. If you have a pattern, like month 1 and month 2, select them and drag the small blue square in the corner, the fill handle, to automatically continue the sequence. This saves time and helps maintain consistency. When your data gets long, keep your headers visible by going to View, then Freeze, and choosing the top row or first column. That way, labels stay put while you scroll. For clean, analyzable data, avoid merging cells inside your dataset, and keep units like currency symbols or pounds in the column headers rather than mixed in with the numbers. This makes sorting, filtering, and formulas more reliable. Speaking of formulas, every calculation starts with an equals sign. You can do simple math like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division directly in a cell. For example, equals B2 plus C2. You can also click cells to build formulas instead of typing addresses. As you type, Sheets shows a function helper to guide you. Sum essentials. Equals sum. A1. A10. Adds numbers in a range. Equals average, range. Calculates the mean. Equals count, range, tallies how many cells contain numbers. And equals if, condition, value underscore if underscore true, value underscore if underscore false. Lets you return different results based on a logical test. Collaboration is where Sheets shines. Click Share to invite others and assign viewer, commenter, or editor access. You'll see real-time edits with color-coded cursors, which makes teamwork smooth. If something goes off track, use version history to view and restore previous versions. And to discuss specifics, right-click a cell and choose Insert Comment to add context or ask a question. With these basics, you're ready to build clear, usable spreadsheets and collaborate confidently in Google Sheets. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.